What's good? It's BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Niggas just got off work, and I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get into it. Alright, so first up is a pair of American Eagle jeans. They're called Next Level Flex, Next Level Fit, whatever the fuck they're called. Excuse me. All of you guys that like know me personally, you know I'm a big dude, so I got a 42-32. These are slim pants, and they actually fit pretty nice. They're like the best jeans I've ever owned. And I copped some chargers off Amazon. It's like a 5-pack of 10 feet long chargers. And then I copped some Nike Tech fleece. Take this off the bag real quick. I copped some Nike Tech fleece pants. Nike Tech fleece sweatpants in a 2XL. I would have copped the XL, but I wanted to size up just in case. I copped these off eBay. Retail at $100, but I copped these off eBay for like 50 and shipping, 50 plus shipping, or 50 and some change or something like that. So yeah. I heard these come in clutch for the fall when it gets cold and shit, and winter time. I was watching Trey Good's video on Kick Genius about the Tech fleece. He said this is really good for keeping warm and shit like that. So that's why I'm getting into this Jordan box real quick. It's a Jordan 4 box, as you can already tell. The label is this. I think this is a promotion. What's this? What is this? Date 8/15/2013. Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, cool gray, and pure platinum. Size 13. What is this tag though? Promotional? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? As you can see, these are the Jordan 4 Fears, and oh, it came with a hand tag too. Okay, well, yeah. These are some Fear 4s. I copped off eBay for, it was $160 and like $15 shipping. But I was like, shit, this is a steal for, you feel me, for what they are. And so I decided to pull the trigger on them. All right, so as you can see, yeah, these are the Fear 4s, and these have been used. These aren't dead stock, because dead stock they run for like 300 some shit, like 350 or some shit. So I was like, I'm not gonna cop my dead stock and goddamn have my pockets be empty and shit. I ain't gonna have that. So you feel me? I bit the bullet and cop the used ones. I wasn't really tripping. You feel me? But as you can, let me check out the bottom real quick. The bottom, as you can see, it's not really. I mean, shit. He didn't wear them out or anything. You see, there's still the stars and shit. The bottoms are just dirty. You know what I'm saying? I don't see no big deal with that. I don't see no big problem. You feel me? These are still in great shape, and especially for what they are. Because you know what I'm saying, the Fear pack, those are pretty dope ass pack. They came out with a 3, a 5, and a 4. And as you can see, I got the 4. I took out the insoles so you guys can see what they say on the bottom. On the left shoe it says, "I'm scared of what I won't become," and on the right shoe it says, "And you're scared of what I could become." So that's pretty dope. All right, so just to wrap everything up, that's all I caught today. It was just some Nike Tech fleece, some jeans, some chargers, and these Jordan 4 Fears. I'll give you another look at these real quick. Oops. It's the front. So these are creased, but it's not really that big of a deal to me. It's whatever. As you can see, these are pretty nice, It's just the box just throws me off. It's like promotional. Like, did I cop samples or something? That's crazy. I don't think it says sample on the inside, you know what I'm saying? And, oh, whoa, hold up. Promos, what? Hold up. Y'all see that? I cop samples, nigga? Boy, shit. Okay, okay. So that about wraps it up. Damn, I got some samples. That's dope. Well, anyway, yeah. That about wraps it up for my video today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.